Introducing the 2014 Chrysler Town & Country. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.